Assalamu alaikum. Dear learners, how are you? Welcome to Rajshahi Divisional Online School. My dear learners, I hope you all are well and fine and okay. Dear learners, I am also fine. My dear learners, I am Arjina Khatun, Assistant Teacher, Jamtul Thupakandi, Government High School, Kamarkhund, Sirajganj. Okay, dear learners, I shall teach you English past paper for class 8. My dear learners, I tell you everything is okay or not. Hear, sound, and visible, all things. Please tell me by comments, and everybody like and comments and share my video. Okay, dear learners, our next class we learn the topics the beginning, and we knew about an extraordinary woman, Shamima, and today we shall listen Shamima's story. My dear learners, be ready, attentive, please. Our today's topic is flashback. Our today's topic is flashback. Dear learners, everybody open your book and go to Unit 5, Lesson 2, page at 47. Our topic is flashback and its Bengali is Phire Dekha. Shamima tell us her stories. We listen to his story very carefully in the text. Okay, dear learners, first we learn some keywords. Here some keywords, and then we shall read the text. Okay, dear learners, I made a chart. Okay, first word, stunt. First word is stunt. অর্থ হচ্ছে স্তব্ধ, and its synonym is astonished. Its synonym is astonished. Stunt is synonym is astonished. And then the next word is admiration. Admiration means synonym is honor, and first word stunt is adjective word. Then admiration is a noun word. Its Bengali is shraddha or prashangsha. Then we learn the next word, adolescent. Adolescent means teenager, and adolescent is a noun word also. Its Bengali is boyosondi or kishori. Then the word heat is a verb word. Okay, heed is a verb word. Its synonym is care, attention, etc. And its Bengali is মনোযোগ দেওয়া or কর্ণপাত করা. Okay, dear learners, already we learn our 4 keywords in this text. Okay, we shall go to our section A and read the text. Okay, dear learners, please listen to me very carefully. Okay, my dear learners, our text is Shamima started to tell us her story. Shamima started to tell us her story. শামিমা তার গল্প বলতে শুরু করলো. Listen to her, we were stunned and at the same time our hearts were filled with admiration for her. তার গল্প শুনে আমরা একেবারে স্তব্ধ হয়ে গেলাম এবং একই সময়ে আমাদের হৃদয়ে তার জন্য প্রশংসায় ভরে উঠল. It was 1995. এটি ছিল 1995 সাল. শামিমা was 15 years old. শামিমার বয়স ছিল 15 বছর. She got promoted to class 8. সে ক্লাস 8-এ উত্তীর্ণ হয়েছিল. শামিমা had all the dreams of an adolescent. শামিমার তখন বয়ঃসন্ধিকালের স্বপ্ন ভরা ছিল. She wanted to bring about a change in her life. সে তার জীবনে পরিবর্তন আনতে চেয়েছিল. She wanted to see happiness in her family too. সে তার পরিবারেরও সুখ দেখতে চেয়েছিল. She knew, সে জানতো, she could fulfill her dream by completing her education and getting a good job. সে জানতো সে লেখাপড়া শেষ করে ভালো একটি চাকরি নিলে তার জীবন পরিপূর্ণ হতে পারে. 15 years old Shamima's dreams were nipped in the bud. 15 বছর বয়সী শামিমার স্বপ্নগুলো অঙ্কুরেই বিনষ্ট হয়ে গেল বা শুরুতেই শেষ হয়ে গেল. nipped in the bud, অঙ্কুরে বিনষ্ট হওয়া. Her father wanted to marry her off against her will. তার বাবা তার ইচ্ছার বিরুদ্ধে তাকে বিয়ে দিতে চেয়েছিল. Marrying off a girl under 18 is against the law in Bangladesh. 18 বছরের কম বয়সী মেয়েকে বিয়ে দেওয়া বাংলাদেশের আইনের বিপক্ষে ছিল. শামিমা did not want to get married. শামিমা বিয়ে করতে চায়নি, but nobody paid any heed to her. Heed. Already we learned this words synonym. Its synonym is কর্ণপাত. Nobody paid any heed to her. কিন্তু তার কথা কেউ কর্ণপাত করেনি। দে অ্যারেঞ্জড হার ম্যারিজ উইথ আ ম্যান মাস ওল্ডার দ্যান হার। তারা তাকে তার চেয়ে অনেক বেশি বয়স্ক একটি লোকের সাথে বিয়ে দিয়েছিল। অল হার টিয়ার্স অ্যান্ড প্রোটেক্ট ওয়েন্ট ইন ভেইন। তার সকল কান্না এবং প্রতিরক্ষা বিফলে গেল। শামীমা ওয়াজ ম্যারিড অফ টু কামাল উদ্দিন জোরদার। শামীমা বিয়ে হলো কামাল উদ্দিন জোরদারের সাথে। ডিয়ার লার্নার্স, ওকে, we have gained many idea about Shamima's life. Okay, dear learners, next we shall go to the next section B. Choose the best answer. Choose the best answer on the alternative word. Okay, dear learners, please see the chart of the choose the best answers. Shamima's story dash everyone astonished. Astonished is the correct answer. Shamima thought about the welfare of her family, friend, cousin, neighbor. Family. Shamima thought about the welfare of family. Shamima did not want to get married because she wanted to complete her education, but nobody dashed her. Nobody listened to her. Okay, dear learners, already we completed our section B. Then so we see in the text some grammar focus. Here first follow the again and read the text, and here first sentences Samima started to tell us her story. Here to tell what is her type word? To tell. Grammar focus. Okay, dear learners, to tell, obviously it is a infinitive verb. It is the infinitive verb. Everybody know that the infinitive verb is the sentences uses the main verbs that she wanted to tell her life. She wanted to tell her about her life, obviously. Okay, my dear learner, to tell. Main verb is wanted and its The other verb is to tell is infinitive verb. To bring, she wanted to bring about a change in her life. Then the word to say. To say, she wanted to see happiness in her family. Then the another word to get. She did not want to get married. Okay, dear learners, our last to marry. Last word is to marry. Her father wanted to marry her off against her will. Okay, dear learners, here the 5 or infinitive verb in the texts. Okay, dear learners, next we shall go to the next section C. Dear learners, everybody please follow the section C. Here some question and everybody try to your best answering the question answers. Answering the questions very carefully. First we read the question very attentively. My dear learners, how long ago did Shamima begin to tell her story? How long age did Shamima begin to tell her story? Okay, already we have guessed it. Its answer may be Shamima began to tell her story 6 years ago. In first question, how long ago did Shamima begin to tell her story. Okay, dear learners, Shamima of course uses past form of begin. Here did the question began to tell began to tell her story 6 years ago. 6 years ago in 2012. Dear learners, we shall go to our next question, question number 2. What did Shamima dream of? What did Shamima dream of? As an adolescent, Shamima dreamed of completing her education. Completing her education and completing her education and she wanted to change her life by getting a good job and see her family happy, and by getting a good job to see her family. Dear learners, we shall go to our next question, question number 3. Everybody, how old is Shamima now? Our next question is, how old is Shamima now? Okay, can you guess how old is Shamima now? Okay, I hope everybody can. Shamima is now 32 years old. Okay, dear learners, Shamima is now 32 years old. My dear learners, we shall go to our question 4. Who was Shamima married off to? Who was Shamima to, who was Shamima married off to? Off to. Okay, my dear learners, think about the question. Everybody, think about the question. Who was Shamima married off to? Obviously, you can. Shamima's father. Obviously, Shamima's father was her married off to. Shamima's father was married off to. Okay, dear learners, already we have finished our all question answers. We are going to now section D. Everybody follow the section D. Here, write about a person who has suffered or struggled like Shamima. Use the following phrases. Use the following phrases. Here some phrases and another phrases. First, I'll teach you some phrases and these phrases. Everybody, please attentively listen to me. We make a several type of sentences using these phrases. Okay, dear learners. First phrase, pay heed to. Its Bengali is মনোযোগ দেওয়া কিংবা মনোযোগ দেওয়া এবং কর্ণপাত করা. Okay, dear learners, pay heed to we already read in the text this sentence. Nobody paid any heed to her. Okay, dear learners, her father and Shamima's father. Dear learner, Shamima's father and anyone did not pay heed to her. Okay, next, nip in the bud. Next, nip in the bud. Dear learners, this phrase's meaning is শুরুতেই শেষ হয়ে যাওয়া বা অঙ্কুরেই বিনষ্ট হয়ে যাওয়া. তাহলে অঙ্কুরেই বিনষ্ট হয়েছিল কার লাইফ? শামিমা's লাইফ. Okay, dear learners, his all dreams were nipped in the bud. Her all dreams were nip in the bud. Okay, dear learners, our next in vain. In vain. In vain means বৃথা বা অকার all her protest, all her tears and protest were in vain, were in vain. My dear learners, any other at the same time একই সময়ে we listened to her, we listened to her and listen to her at the same time my father go out. Okay, dear learners, already we have learned many others phrases and everybody will complete the section D in your home. Of course, everybody completed the section D, and please my inbox or comments box, everybody will give your completing paragraph. Okay, dear learners, give a home or body homework everybody complete the section D. Please complete it when it complete. Okay, when it completed, you will be sent me by comment box or inbox. Okay, dear learners, everybody should be safe and happily stay your home, wash your hand, and everybody goodbye. Okay, dear learners, see you again